Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we'll be learning on how to make this twisted Aso-Oke head wrap with a rose design on it. This particular design was requested for by one of our subscribers. Okay, and to our old subscribers who had always watched our video and has been giving us feedback, thank you so much. We really do appreciate you. And if you are new here and you are yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscription button and also turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. And I promise you enjoy lots and amazing videos. What I used in this particular video was a foam, and the measurement is 30 inches by 4 inches, 30 by 4. And next thing I did was kind of fold into 2, and I begin to fold using my thread. Okay, I fold into 2 and I wrap it round using my thread. But meanwhile, you can also use your wadding, your breast part, you understand, so you can also use it for this particular part. Okay, so what I'll be doing here is to wrap my with this piece of thread. I will wrap it up. Just kindly watch and see what will happen here. Having done that, what I did next was to place it on my piece of Aso-Oke. This piece of Aso-Oke is about 40 inches long. Okay, so I place it on the Aso-Oke and I began to fold just the way you are seeing it now. I'll keep folding. Once I cover, I'm able to cover up the tip. Okay, I'll use my needle and thread and stitch it up. Okay, I'm going to stitch this part up. I'm going to fold it in and stitch up. Then I'll keep folding. Yeah, I'm done stitching the upper part, so I'll keep folding gently, okay, so that the work will be very neat. I'll keep folding like that, and I'll be tacking it down with my office pin. So that's how I'll keep folding it till I get to the other end. So keep watching and keep learning. Once I got to the end of the Aso-Oke, I go back to the tip where I started before. I fold the tips there and I stitch with my needle and thread. I ensure I stitch properly, or you can also go over to your sewing machine and stitch properly. Okay, so after that, after the stitches, what I will do is to follow the line where I used my office pins to join together, to join my Aso-Oke together. I'm going to follow them up and begin to stitch. Okay, just watch closely. What I'm doing now, I'm just stitching one part. Okay, and I'll pass the needle in between the foam and bust it out in the next junction. Okay, so that's what I'll be doing, so that the stitches will be invisible. So once I bring it out from there, I'll hold the two Aso-Oke, this part and this part, and I'll stitch it together. After stitching it together, what I'll do again is to pass it in between the foam and move a bit further, then bring it out from that side. Then once the needle and thread is outside, I will bring the two tips of the Aso-Oke, okay, and stitch again. So that's what I'll keep doing till I move down to the other side of this design. So keep watching and keep learning. If you are yet to subscribe, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time an amazing tutorial is being added. Keep watching and keep liking and keep learning. So I'm down at the other side of the Aso-Oke. I'll just cut it off. I'll make sure that there is an extra material, okay? Extra material. I didn't cut it exactly where the foam is ended, and the extra material. So I'll fold the extra materials, the tip. I'll fold it and stitch. So I'm gonna folding. Just keep watching. I'm folding it now, and I'm gonna be stitching it with my needle and thread. So keep watching and keep learning. After the stitches, I'll bring the two tips together and stitch. Just keep watching and keep learning. So after the stitches, the next thing I'll be showing you is the rose design behind, how I achieved the rose design behind. This is a stripe of Aso-Oke, which is about 60 inches by 6.5 inches. So next thing I did was to go to one of the edges of the Aso-Oke and start pleating at least 4 to 5 pleats. After the pleating, I hold the edge of the Aso-Oke and start rolling inwardly, just the way you are seeing it now. I'll start rolling inwardly. As I roll, I keep forming the pleats. I make sure that the pleat continues. Okay, as I roll inwardly, I keep forming pleats with the stripes you were seeing. I follow that stripes and I keep forming the pleats. I keep rolling. So in this part of the video, I will not talk much. I'll just encourage you to just make sure you watch closely and see how it's been done. This part of the video is self-explanatory, okay? I just want you to just keep watching and keep learning. It's very, very easy to understand. So just keep watching and keep learning. If you are getting value from this video, why not give this video a thumbs up? And if you're coming across my channel or you're watching my videos and you're yet to subscribe, please make this family bigger by clicking on the red subscribe button. Also turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time a new tutorial is being added. Please don't forget to share to your friends, to your family, to your enemies. Why not? I really appreciate that. Please keep watching and keep liking. And if there's any video you want me to make or to talk about, please drop them on the comment section. If you have any questions about this video and you don't understand, there's part of this video you really don't understand, please ensure you drop it at the comment section, okay? I will really attend to that. So keep watching and keep learning. Also, as you're doing this, don't forget to always stitch, okay? You have to stitch at least fairly tight, because if you don't stitch it after this particular design, it will lose. So we need the stitching, the needle and thread work, so that the work is just this flower design will not have to loosen up when you are done, okay? So as you are moving, you are stitching with your needle and thread round and round till you are done. And here I'm close to the end of this particular design. So what I did here was I kind of changed the pattern of the plinting, okay? And I'm moving towards the normal direction of plinting that we know. So we keep plinting this way to give us this extra fun look. Yes, give us this fun look at the end of this design. So keep watching and keep learning. I hope you're getting value from this video. If yes, please don't just go away. Don't just go away. Just make sure you subscribe to this channel. Encourage this family. Let's grow bigger and bigger every day. Keep watching and keep sharing. Also, don't forget to follow us up on our Telegram group for free illustration. You can check that out on the description box. Keep watching and keep learning. Yeah, after the stitches, see how beautiful this rose design is looking. So I'm going to be attaching this to one side of the band, okay, to my twisted Aso-Oke band. So I'm going to be adding it behind where I did my final stitches. I'm going to place it this way, and continuously I'll use my needle and thread, okay, to keep stitching. I will stitch properly and ensure, to ensure that the rose is not dangling around behind, okay. You have to stitch very firmly, very well, okay. Stitch and make sure that it's really firm behind, okay. And meanwhile, your design cannot just be behind. You can move it to the front, to the left, or to the right of your, just style it and make it beautiful, flaunt it, okay. So I'll keep stitching and stitching till I am satisfied, okay, until this stitches is firmly on the Aso-Oke twisted rose, okay. So keep watching and keep learning. After stitching, see what it looked like, okay. It's looking beautiful already, but that's not the end. Don't go away yet. This is not the end of the video. So I'm going to get a piece of stones, okay, a material stones that we used to cover up the stitches we did earlier on the round part, okay. So I'm going to be using this piece of stone to stitch where the Aso-Oke is being joined together. So I'm going to be doing that round. After that, you are good to go. You can flaunt this in any of your occasion. Remember, I said earlier on, you can wear it. The rose can be either front, back, sideways, or you just flaunt it and look and stand out in the crowd and look amazing. Okay, thank you for watching this video to this end. See you in my next video. Bye for now.